It's April 1st. I'm down the shed where I like to be. You know why? Bloody snowed again. Stuff this. To the workshop. This working? I think so. Hello. Do you like stickers? I do. I had some of these made. There's a reason I went into engineering and not into graphic design. Anyway, these are my channel stickers, and if you'd like one, just send me an email. If I remember, I'm going to put my email address on screen here, and at this point I'm supposed to pull a funny face and point at it. Funny enough. So just shoot me a note and I will mail you one. There you go. Welcome back to my shed. What's going on? Well, as you saw, there's tons of snow outside, despite the fact that this is April and we're supposed to be done with that shit. So here I am in the shed making stuff. I'm back to the steam engine, I'm happy to say, and I'm in the finishing stretches now. Today I'm just turning up some custom nuts, which are just going to make the thing look a little nicer than with the standard screws that came with the kit. So all I'm going to do today is show you the process of turning up a few identical components that are very simple, and we'll see how that looks. That's it. And thanks very much for watching, and bye for now. See you at the end of the video. Here's a model of the nut that I'm going to make. Pretty simple part, and no real reason for this other than an attempt to make it look nice. And if we look at the drawing for that, this tells you what it's going to be. I'm just going to make this from 3/8 hex bar stock, and I think I have a piece of leaded free cutting steel which will make this very easy to do. So let's go take a look at that. Over at the lathe, got everything set up and ready to go. Tools organized at the back, and perhaps most importantly, I've got my process sequence. This is just the steps that I'm going to follow to turn up each nut, and having them up on the board here is just convenient because it's an easy reference, and if I start getting lost, I can find my way back again. So okay, without any further ado, let's get a piece of hex stock in the chuck and get started. Starting off by facing the end of the part. Now just spot facing. And drilling through with the tapping drill. Just pecking the way in. This point, turn the machine off, and I'm just manually tapping the first few threads to get them square so that I can finish tapping through by hand. And deburr the end. Now bringing in a form tool. This is a 45-degree tool on both edges, lining it up with the edge. It's only a nut, so this doesn't have to be super accurate. And then turning down the end lip to diameter, which leaves the chamfer, and then just deburr the edge of the small diameter. Now coming over to the end of the nut, putting the rear chamfer on, and now parting off. This is a hand ground high-speed steel parting tool, shaped so as to finish the backside in one go, hopefully without leaving a burr. Didn't quite work. So in the end, all the nuts just had to go back in for the backside just to get a light skim, and then deburr the hole. And that's it. Easy as cake. There they are. Well, some of them anyway. I turned up quite a few. They look all right, don't they? I'm pretty happy with those. Nothing too fancy. Nice simple job for today. Apparently I have to go turn up another one. Well, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, it'd be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel. If you don't, that's all right. But I'm trying to get a few more subscribers just to make the effort worthwhile. But do as you need. Hope to see you again when I get onto something a little more involved, which next time will be adding tapped holes in the cylinder for the lagging. And I've got a bit of an involved process for that. Okay, wherever you are, stay safe and well. Thanks very much for sticking around, and see you again soon.